You are still not in grade 9 and aiming to target for AP examination. Well, this is a difficult proposition, but yes, definitely you can take some of the subjects of social sciences, humanities in the very basic if you want to go for business courses or if you want to even go for STEM courses. Now, what are the subjects that you can cover before grade 9? Good subjects that you can cover are human geography. You can also cover economics if you have an interest or background, psychology if you have a passion towards that subject, and statistics because it is mainly based on analytical and logical reasoning. But any of these courses would require sound understanding. So, definitely, conceptual clarity, understanding the concepts is extremely important if you are targeting before ninth grade. Don't hurry with your APs, but yes, you can take your pace and appear for one or two APs every year. So this would distribute your workload and reduce your pressure, which would accumulate when you are in grade 11th and 12th, because that would be the time where you would be appearing for your competitive examinations. Simultaneously, you would be appearing for national international examinations, and on top of that, AP would be one other exam that you would have to do, that you would plan to do. It's not mandatory, so it's not that something you have to do on a compulsory basis. But yes, if you take some of the APs in the earlier classes, earlier grades, that would give you a good edge about getting a decent amount of time for your competitive examination preparation, specifically if you are targeting for STEM courses, which is science, be it the PCM or the PCB stream. Thanks for joining.